Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. So many students were requesting me to post a video for general training, reading tips and how to solve different types of questions. So here I am once again for general training candidates, and in this video I'll be discussing all the very useful tactics by which you can score 9 bands in your IELTS reading. And if your target score is only 4.5 or 5 for work permit, then also this is a must watch video. Before I start this video, I have also uploaded prediction for 9th March. You can also watch that video. So in this video, let me give you an overview. First of all, in this video, we are going to discuss 5 main parameters, including time management, main types of questions, handling different types of questions, target band scores, important types of questions, and practice material. So these 5 topics will be discussed in this video. Starting with the very first thing, that is the time management. How to manage time in IELTS reading. Time management is very crucial when it comes for IELTS reading, whether you are JT or you are academic student. Focusing on GT, 40 questions to complete all in 60 minutes. And here the tip is, you will not get any extra time to transfer the answers onto the answer sheet. So as soon as you find the answers, write down the answers on your answer sheets side by side. Don't forget to write down the answers side by side and copy your answers very, very carefully, keeping in mind the spellings. So for time management, be careful while attempting section 1. Section 1 is the most easiest. Try to finish it within 10 to 15 minutes so that you have more time for next 2 sections. Talking about section 2, try to finish section 2 in between 15 to 20 minutes and last 25 to 30 minutes for section 3, as it is the most difficult section of the whole IELTS reading test. So this is how you can manage your time, and with practice only, practice. So moving on to the next, that is the handling different types of questions. How you can handle different types of questions. The very first and the common and the easiest type of question is fill in the blanks, or you can say fill-ups. So here fill-ups, I have 3 steps by which you can score full on full in your fill-ups. Very first step is finding the keywords for location. Second thing is ideation for the demand of the question, and third thing is synonyms or words before the blank and the word after the blanks are 99% synonyms, or you can find the similar words as well. So these are 3 steps for fill-ups and sentence completion type questions. And still, if you have any problem, you can comment down me in the comment section below. I'll come up with a full video how to solve fill in the blanks for GT students. Next comes the true false not given. For true false not given, look for the words like are able to, are not able to, have evidence, don't have evidence. So find out the words which has opposite meanings. These words help you to guess the answer, whether it is true or it is false. If you find the opposite, answer is false. If you find a similar word, answer is true. Secondly, look for the words like, you can say most significant, most famous, highest, biggest, first. If you find these words in your true false not given or yes no not given, the answer will be 99% not given. So these are the tips by which you can score full on full in your true false and not given. And last but not the least, look for the words such as modal verbs, which I say would, could, should, might, maybe, perhaps, must. These words are also very helpful when it comes to yes, no and not given. You should circle these words to find out the answer. For detail, if you want detailed video, let me know in the comments once again. Next is the matching information. These are very, very, very important questions, so don't miss these types of questions. These are 2 types: matching the advertisements or simply matching the sentences with the paragraph. So the paragraphs in GT are very, very small, 2 to 3 lines at the most. So you can skim and scan very, very fast to find out the answers. Here the tip is, read the questions, all the questions first of all, and mark the keywords. Then go on the passages, read the passages, and you will find out the answers side by side. Next is the list of headings. Follow the cancellation method in list of headings and cancel out the headings once you find the heading for any particular paragraph so that you cannot mess up with the other headings. So last is flow chart and table chart. This can also come in the section 2 of IELTS reading. So these are again like the fill in the blanks. So ये भी आपके गलत नहीं होने चाहिए. So next our parameter is achieving target band score. तो यहाँ पे again I have 3 tips for you. The first step is stay focused, stay calm, don't be nervous and don't panic. The test on 9th March is going to be very easy, especially section 1 and section 2 will be very easy. Second tip is use move on technique. If you're unable to find answer to any question, skip that question, move on to the next question. You will automatically find the answer to your previous question. Or if you doesn't find the answer, then also it's okay, you can find it in the ending if you have time. So, and the last step is recheck. What do I mean by recheck? Recheck means the tips which I just discussed a minute ago, how to do fill-ups and true false. Check by using that method only, whether the synonym you have looked for the synonym, you have looked for the keywords or not. And last and the important thing is important types of questions. So basically in GT reading IELTS, you will come across different types of questions, including sentence completion, true false, yes no, matching the information, list of headings and multiple choice questions. These are important. And if your target band score is minimum 8,777 bands, these all types are very important. You can't skip any of these types. And if your target is only 4.5 to 5, you can do only sentence completions, yes no, true false and matching the information type questions. As I think you will get 7 bands on 30 and 31 scores out of 40. So prepare accordingly. So you have to minimum do 30 to 31 answers correct if in order to score minimum 7 bands in your IELTS. Last is practice material. So if you have booked your exam, let me tell you, Cambridge has launched Cambridge Book 18 for GT training IELTS students. This has been recently launched. The pattern will be the same as in the Cambridge Book 18. I'm not saying the exam will come from Book 18. The pattern, the level of difficulty will be same as in the Cambridge Book 18. So that book is a must for all of the GT candidates. And if you have enough time, if you have more time, practice from books 11 to book 18 along with 20 from Makkah readings as well. Those are also very important. So don't skip these types of questions and these books for practice material. And books number 11 to 18, you can practice 2 readings every day if your target band score is 8,777. If you will do 2 readings every day, it will help you to manage your time wisely. Along with that, it will help you to perform all the question types with the tips and the tricks I just discussed in this video. Again, if you need my help, my guidance, I am just a comment and a message away from you. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp in the description box below. You can WhatsApp me if you want my guidance, my tips. I'll be arranging a free video call session for those candidates who require my guidance, my tips, my tricks to score good in their IELTS exam. So this is all about today's video. If you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. You can post your queries as well in the comment section. I'll definitely answer your queries. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and stay healthy.